crash. And if darkness could sound, it would sound like this giant waking up in the torture house, trying to die and not dying, and trying not to cry, and immediately crying that he will do his best to adjust his dark soul to the pressing request of the only true frost. And he pants, and he gasps, and he rasps, and he wheezes. Ice is a solid form when the water freezes. A volatile liquid, see refrigerating, is permitted to pass into evaporating coils where it boils, which somehow seems wrong, and I wonder how long it will rumble and shudder and crackle and pound. Scudder, the alpinist, slipped and was found half a century later preserved in blue ice with his bride and two guides and that edelweiss. A German has proved that the snowflakes we see are the germ cells of stars and the sea life to be. Hold the line, lest its tale be untold. Let it amble alone through the thumping pain and horror of dichlor something methane, a trembling white heart with the froth upon it. Nova Zembla, poor thing with that bee in her bonnet. Stand bees in bonnets of cars on hot roads. Keep it cold, says a poster in passing, and lo, loads of bright fruit and ham and some chocolate cream and 3 bottles of milk, all contained in the gleam of that wide open white, got the pride and delight of starry-eyed couples in dream kitchenettes. And it groans, and it drones, and it toils, and it sweats. Shackleton, pemmican, penguin, pose beam, collapsing at last in the criminal night.